What's up everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Sukuna. Kind of a different version of him, not from the anime or anything. I think it's AI generated. It's pretty cool. So, I'm getting into these AI arts. They're pretty interesting. I'm on a landscape page. Use a pencil eraser, hit pause if I go a bit too fast. So, face is kind of in 3/4 pose, right? So, center point of my page about here. Eye will be along this halfway line. It's a quite big, intense eye, okay, with a scar on it. Right, so we'll go diagonal first, that way. And then we'll go across, just to get our general shape. And then it comes down. And then in towards the tear duct, like so. So we want to thicken it up and add some eyelashes, right? So we'll add a bit of a spiky section here. And then we'll thicken up the top eyelid line. Just you're making it darker, heavier along here. Okay. And then his iris and pupil is inside, so big like wide eyes. So we'll just like do a circle. Around like that, right? And then we're going to give him like a glowing white pupil inside. And like pink eyes. Okay. So then you might have some like eyelid lines just coming around there. And then another eyelid line on top. Like that. And then his eyebrow just comes along the top here. And then a place that you can color that eyebrow on top like so. So he's sort of looking 3/4 pose. So the nose just across in the eye here, about half an eye width over. Nose comes out, pretty pointy, back in then, down like so. And then his nostril here. And then we can just see like his cheek kind of sticking out. So we go down and back in for the chin. Like so. So the mouth then, so basically we'll just go, yeah, we'll just do simple sort of this way and then up and down. Like nothing major, just this kind of mouth going diagonally that way. Got this little point in the middle. So then the other side, so the top of his nose goes this way. So this becomes like a Z here. And then this will go around his forehead and disappear underneath his hair. So we can see some eyelashes kind of sticking out here. And then like some more top eyelid line. And then his eyeball. And then like the skin of his eyelid here. Maybe like some eyelashes sticking off here. And then we can just see his like iris looking at us this way. And maybe some of that pupil. It should be relatively obscured by his eyebrow. more or less like that. So the rest of his chin is covered by a big collar, right? So the collar comes across like this. I think it's actually a hood or a collar, I'm not sure. Okay, and then you can just see a little bit of his jaw coming out up here. And notice where the jaw is. It's not like underneath in here. It's further than the eye. It's like another eye width. So like here to here would be about the same as here to here. See this distance? Eye to the ear and to the jaw. So you usually have the sideburns above here. So you have this little zigzag sort of area. Right. So like the eye width would bring you over to that sideburn. And then the ear comes out from the sideburn. And we're going to put earrings on this, but we'll just draw the shape for the ear in first. Like so. So then ear lines inside, the easiest way to get you started is a letter J. And then if you want, you can add a bit more detail. And then we're going to give him like some gold earrings. And one seems to hang down here, but it's an unusual one. Goes that way and then around the back. And then the back of his neck comes out here. So a big curved line going that way. And of course his head is shaved at the back. And then he has all that long pink hair. So we'll just get his like hairline going back this way. And then we have all these zigzag lines coming towards the front of his hair. That way. And then there's like a hair spike coming down here. So let's do this fringe now. Right, so we got like another piece of hair just going down like this way. And then we have some more like here. Like so, and then it all starts to go out this way and around to the back and along here. So say like, we'll go out the front this way first. Okay, this kind of a thing. You can add some like texture lines to it if you want. And we just keep going around. And there's like layers of hair back in here then as well. We'll just get the back first. And it all comes in then. This way. Right, so then this has another sort of few layers of hair here at the front. Going all this way. Quite detailed hair. Texture lines all this. Right. And that's just like shaved hair. So we're going to give him a scar coming up his eye here. And then we got to do those Sukuna marks. So he's got like another eye underneath his eye. Right, one starting there. And then these sort of V's or flying birds. Now you can do these your own way. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine if you don't want it to be. And this one comes down his face diagonally that way. And then we have something on the middle of his forehead. So like these sort of spikes. Like that. And then there's like a thin one in the middle. And then another one pointing down. It all points down towards the middle of his nose anyway. Like that. Okay, that's his face pretty much. So then the rest of this hood, right? So we kind of have some bumps coming around here and then down his back. It's not a hood, I think it's just a collar there. And then shoulder comes across, sort of down this way. Yeah, I think these are just like fold lines now, basically. This kind of a thing. Another line here. Shoulder. And then this pink line's gonna go up around the collar. Like so. Da-da-da. And then there's just like some pink fire in the air, just like random kind of. Very slight, subtle. Pink fire. Okay. I think that's the best I can do. Sukuna. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.